Good morning, children. How are you all? Good. Okay. So, today is your English class day. Yes. So, we are going to practice the letters. Okay. Do you remember what we have done? Yes, we have done A and B. A, B, B. We have already done these letters and we have done the lots of practice. Right? So, we are going to practice the more letters. So, today is the turn of letter C, K and D, D. And you have to do the practice on a page to follow the pattern. ओके एक पेज है उसके ऊपर काम भी करना है जिसमें यू हैव टू जॉइन द डॉट्स इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ways. Okay, so let's start with the letter C, K. Okay, yes. So what is this? This is a cow. This is a cow. Yes, C, K, cow. Right, see, there is a bell. There is a bell in the cow's neck. Yeah. And cow gives us milk. And उससे हम उसको milk पी के we become strong. Yes. So we should drink the milk regularly. Yes. And now these days we can put a little pinch of haldi, we can put the turmeric. That is called turmeric haldi, right? It is good for your health. Yes, for everybody. And what is this? This is a cap. A cap, a little cap for my little kids. Yes, this is a cap. Good. See, cap. And what is this? This is a cup. Yes, we drink milk. जो खाओ में मिल्क होती है हमें वो इस मग में पीना चाहिए. यस, इस कप में पीना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ अ कप. सी क कप. And mama and papa sometimes some guest when they came to our house, we offer them tea or coffee in the cup. Right, this is cup. And this is a pussy cat. So वो आपको देख रही है. The cat is looking at you and giving a sweet smile. Okay, so this is a seeker cat. And this is a little caterpillar. Yes, he's crawling on a leaf. वो एक लीफ के ऊपर स्क्रॉल कर रहा है. जैसे हम वॉक करते हैं, हम चलते हैं, कैटरपिलर स्क्रॉल करता है. ओके, he's crawling. And see what is there? A song. A song. So this is a cat and the cot. It is my pet. I love it a lot. It loves to drink milk from a cup and stand on its feet when I say up. Okay, so this is letter C, K. And do the practice of this letter on this page. So many exercises are here. So join. First exercises picture that you have to match the same pictures and trace the letter C with your finger. And here the letter C. Yes, just circle the letter C and color the cake. Good. And now it's letter D. D. Yes, D. 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 Okay, D. D. Doctor. D. 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 Doctor. D. D. Doctor. Sing like this. If so, you will be able to learn it fast. D. 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 Doctor. Yes. D. 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 I know every child has a doll, so you can say d d d d d d d d. Yes, and this is a duck. Quack quack duck. Looking here and there. Quack 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 quack. Yes, and this is a dog. Boo 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 boo. It's a very small dog. Boo 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 boo. Dog is saying boo boo when he's walking. And oh, wow, which fish is this? This fish is called dolphin. This fish is called dolphin. Yes. And this is letter D. This is capital D, small d, capital D, small d. Yes. Okay. So after this page, we practice, we trace the different paths with different patterns. These are called lines, but be careful while doing the work. These are the slanting lines. These are the slanting lines. Yes, when we use this, when we are tracing the lines, just remember few things. आपको कुछ चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी है. And they are like you have to come from upwards to downwards. आपको ऊपर से नीचे जाना है. ठीक है, ऊपर से नीचे. Like you have to put your pencil here or color here and come down slowly like this. Okay, like put your color here and come slowly here. So not like this, like upward, not like this, because they have mentioned it. So put your color here and come down slowly. Yes, nicely. Okay children, good. So you have to complete this page, right? You have to complete this page. Good. So this is the home task, and this work you have to do in the English book. Okay, that's all, and enjoy. We are going to meet soon. Bye bye.